In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Monday.com to light mode. If your Monday.com workspace is currently using a darker appearance and you want a brighter, cleaner look, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. To begin, open Monday.com and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once the platform has fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on your main workspace screen. This helps ensure that the profile and settings options are easy to find. Next, look toward the corner of the screen where your profile picture appears. This is usually where Monday.com keeps personal account options and workspace preferences. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. A small drop-down panel should appear with several options related to your account and settings. From that menu, select My Profile or Preferences, depending on which option is shown in your version of Monday.com. Different account types or updates to the interface can make the wording slightly different, but the goal is the same. You need to open the area where your personal display settings are managed. Once you're inside that section, look for the theme or appearance setting. This is where Monday.com lets you control how the interface looks on your screen. If you don't see it immediately, scan the page carefully, since appearance settings are sometimes grouped under General Preferences or Display Options. When you find the theme setting, choose Light Mode. This will switch the platform from a dark interface to a brighter one, which some users prefer for daytime work or for improved readability. After selecting light mode, make sure to save or apply the change if Monday.com gives you a button to confirm it. This is important because without saving, the new setting may not take effect. After that, refresh Monday.com to confirm that the light theme is active. Once the page reloads, the background and overall interface should appear lighter. If it still looks unchanged, give it another moment or revisit the appearance settings to make sure light mode was selected and saved properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed Monday.com to light mode.